Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are talking about the airlines, if they allow dogs on the flight. Let's get started with the video. Which airlines allow us to travel with our small breed dogs in the cabin on the plane? Guys, I was looking for friendly pets airlines where they accept 1 or 2 pets per passengers in the cabin on the plane. And they are Delta, Air France, TAP Portugal, Norwegian, and American Airlines. But if you have a special airline, please you can call them and ask if they allow pets. Also, on the website of the airline, you can find all information according to the country where you are. Remember, I live in the United States and my trip was from the United States to Spain and Barcelona. What does an airline require to take your dog on the flight? In almost all airlines that I find out, they ask for the following. Domestic animals or pets can fly with you, 1 or 2 pets per passenger. Each airline has a price for the animal's flight ticket. Generally, it's between $260 to $300 round trip. But if you have a service dog or emotional support dog, the price can vary completely. You should consider the total weight of the dog inside the travel bag or Sherpa. Most airlines accept 8 kilos or 17 and something pounds. In some airlines, this could vary. Each airline has a measure for the travel bag or Sherpa. Remember, only the measures of the Sherpa. But if you want to know the measurements of the bag that I use with my dog, just watch the video below in my info bags. The travel bag with your dog inside, you will have to place it in front of your seat, under the front seat. There, the bag will fit perfectly if you respect the measurements of the airlines. You have to take all documents of your dog in photocopies on hand because the airline asks about them. Guys, just in case, they have never asked me to put my dog with his bag on the scale. And I have requested, but they always told me it's not necessary. 6 airplanes, and they never asked me about it. And here I have additional tips. If your dog and the travel bag weighs more than 8 kilos or 17 pounds, you will have to consider take your dog by cargo on the plane. And you will have to find out on your own, online, or make a call to the airlines. Your dog must be in the travel bag from head to tail and feel comfortable. Stand, lay down, and turn around. If in case your dog when standing and his body collides with the roof of the travel bag, don't worry guys, nothing happened because your doggy will be lying and asleep. In cabin, big dogs could travel and you don't need to put them in a travel bag. It's impossible, right? But they are only service dogs or emotional support. And I don't have idea about the therapy dogs. In the 6 planes that my dog has boarded up, I have been able to put her on my lap with the travel bag and without. And the flight attendants have been happy saying hi to my dog. And they never told me anything except 2 of them. And just they told me, please put your dog in the bag under the seat. But I think I'm a lucky person because she was all the time on my lap. I always respect the next passenger and ask first if I can have my dog on my lap because not everyone likes dogs. And guys, please, you don't have to buy the same bag that I have or other people tell you. You have to respect the measures of the bag that the airlines ask for. If your dog has behavioral problems, it will be better to consult with your vet to give him a sedative. My vet doesn't recommend sedative to our babies if it's not necessary. And if you are a nervous person, I recommend you relax and take your medicine or drink some tea, maybe chamomile, tila, jasmine, etc. because your good or bad energy is transmitted to your animal. Well guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.